Remember, remember the 28th of September, the day in which Santa Clara County voted unanimously to opt out of the controversial program Secure Communities. But what is ESCOM, and how does it work? ESCOM's goal is to identify illegal immigrants and deport them. The way it does this is that it collects the fingerprints of all arrested individuals and sends them to the Department of Homeland Security and the FBI. Why is the program so controversial? For mainly three reasons. The first is that non-criminals also get arrested and deported. But let's ask the Immigration and Custom Enforcement for some data regarding the ratio of criminals to non-criminals. Well, of the undocumented immigrants deported from Santa Clara, 98 had committed serious crimes. 147 were deported for lower-level crimes, which includes traffic violations, and 86 were deported even though they weren't criminals. I guess the problem is clear just by listening to this data. But let's hear what the Board of Supervisors Shirakawa had to say about this.
Secure communities is intended to remove violent and serious offenders from the community, but instead it kind of sweeps up lower level offenders without any convictions, and I mentioned earlier that impact on families.
Good morning. My name is Robert Yaves, and I am the Program Director of the Immigration Legal Services of Catholic Charities of Santa Clara County. We have a client who was stopped for a broken stoplight. He was referred to ICE police for lack of legal status and signed her voluntary departure. Santa Clara County should not focus on the removal or deportation of those who are not a threat to the safety of our community.
The second big issue was racial profiling.
President, Vice President, Supervisors, I'm Lee Ellen. I want to keep the Secure Communities program intact as is. Racial profiling is not taking place if all fingerprints gathered at the time of booking are electronically transmitted to DHS. You cannot look at a fingerprint and tell what race it is.
Good morning and thank you for your time. My name is Nicholas Kawat. I'm a staff attorney at the Asian Law Alliance. The gentleman who spoke earlier said that there is no racial profiling involved. There is. Even though a fingerprint cannot tell you one's race, we are concerned that the suspectful eye that gathers those fingerprints may be encouraged to look upon immigrants and take them into custody.
The third problem concerning ESCOM is that its deployment terrorizes the immigrant community.
And my name is Jose Horta, I'm a community organizer. I'm here to express the fear that this type of program produces. Because of this fear, it makes it very difficult for us to even report a crime or even participate in the schools of our children.
After listening to every side of the issue, the board made its decision.
The wonderful things about this country is that we all have the freedom to move about, to be part of our community, part of our society, and anything that restricts that is something that we should all fight against. So I will certainly be supporting the motion. If you could please vote by vote. And that passes unanimously.
Stay and applaud all of our motions.